Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the yen, we definitely got a very strong turn to the downside. It's going to be interesting to see how this monthly candle closes right here. The end of the candle will close this week, so if it does close as an engulfing candle, which it is an engulfing candle right now, then most likely it really is the end of a wave 3, and most likely we are in for about a 6 to 8 month pullback for a wave 4 before we actually go up for a wave 5, probably going at least down to the 38% and maybe even a little bit lower than that. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 3. Definitely has a break of structure to the downside. If it really is the end of a wave 3, you have to realize that this is literally probably going to stretch out for at least a minimum of 6 months. Probably looking something like this for some sort of an ABC correction, and most likely it's a wave 4 on the much higher time frames. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are definitely still in a downtrend right now. I honestly think it might even be a wave 1 of wave A, which means that the next move up, when it does happen, is probably going to be a wave 2, and then it's probably going to go down for a wave 3. And this is all only a wave A on the much higher time frames. Either way, as of right now, ever since we broke shorts to the downside, I'm definitely looking for shorts on shorter time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame, I think we need at least one more push down on the 4 hour time frame. I think there's a good chance this is an A, this is a B. It definitely looks to me like it wants to go up for a wave C, maybe to the 50 or the 61% before it goes down for another push down. Maybe it's a wave 5 of wave 1, maybe it's a wave 5 of wave A. I mean, it's really not that important how you count it right yet. What's really important is just going short at the end of every correction you see for the continuation of the downtrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I personally am only looking for shorts because I'm a trend trader. I'm definitely not going to be going long, even though I do suspect that it may end up doing this, and I do think there's a very good chance this is an A, this is a B, and that this is a C. I would much prefer to just patiently wait for an ABC correction. I'd wait for a Fibonacci bounce. I'd wait for a break of structure. Once I see this picture right here, that's when I'm going to be taking a sorting opportunity. If you are a short time frame trader and you don't mind a little bit of counter trend, more risky type trading, then you could definitely try to go long for the wave C. Oftentimes, what happens though is what you think is a wave B is not a wave B, and it just actually just keeps on trending down. So the trend is your friend. You're gonna have a way higher probability of having profitable trades if you do trade with the trend, in my opinion. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.